Hello students, now I'm going to continue the chapter trigonometric functions of 12th standard. Exercise 3.2, question number 3. So remember that the question number 3 to question number 9 are related to the solution of a triangle. That is, it is related to the sine rule, cosine rule, projection rule and their applications. So before going to solve these examples, you have to know these formulas very well. So see the question number 3. So in triangle ABC, angle A, so you know that is these capital letters denote the angles. So A is 45 degree, B is 60 degree, then find the ratio of its sides. So you know that is the sides are denoted by the small letters. So here I draw that is triangle ABC. So the side opposite to angle A is small a, side opposite to angle B is small b, and side opposite to angle C is C. We are given that is A is 45 and B is 60, and we have to find out the ratio of the sides of the triangle, that is A is to B is to C. We have to find out. For this we have to know the third angle, and you already know that is in 9th standard or 10th standard you learn that is the sum of measure of all angles of the triangle is 180. So using this sum angle property of triangle we can easily find out this angle C. So here A plus B plus C is 180, that is sum angle property of triangle. So 45 plus 60 plus C is equals to 180, and so the angle C is 180 minus 105, the addition of this one, and so the angle C is 75. So this angle is now 75. So you know the sine rule, that is A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C is equals to K. So we separate these two ratios, that is we write these two ratios together, and after that two ratios together. A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B. Similarly, that is B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C. Now we are taking the ratio of this A and B. That is in the 9th standard we learn about the properties of these two equal ratios, that is alternando. So A upon B is equals to sine A upon sine B. Similarly, B upon C is equals to sine B upon sine C. Now we write this in the form of ratios, that is A is to B is equals to sine A is to sine B, and similarly B is to C is equals to sine B is to sine C. Now we are going to combine this. Here A is to B and B is to C. So B is common for both, so we write it together. By combining both these equations we get A is to B is to C is equals to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. So by combining these two equations we get this one. So sine A is to sine B is to sine C. So we have to put down the value of A as a 45, B is a 60, and you know that is the C angle, we already find it, that is this 75. So we know the value of sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now we have to find out the value of sine 75, because this value is not in our table. हमने जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का टेबल पढ़ा था उसमें जो एंगल्स रहते हैं वो 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, लेकिन ये 75 एंगल उसमें नहीं रहता है. सो ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज साइन ए प्लस बी. सो वी नो दैट इज साइन ए प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू साइन ए इंटू साइन कॉस बी प्लस कॉस ए इंटू साइन बी. So we split this 75 like this one, that is 45 plus 30. So this one is A and this one is B. Just we have to put down the value. Sin 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sin 30. So you know this value, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 into root 3 by 2. Here 1 upon root 2 into half. Now we just combine together root 3 upon 2 root 2 and 1 upon 2 root 2. Since the base is same, we write it root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So this is the answer of sin 75. Now we are just going to put down this value here, that is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2, and this is the answer of the ratio of the sides, that is A is to B is to C is equals to 1 upon root 2 is to root 3 upon 2 is to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now see the question number 4. In triangle ABC, we have to prove that sin B minus C upon 2 is equals to B minus C upon A into cos A by 2. So ये हमें प्रूव करके दिखाना है. So see the by sine rule we can write it like this one. So sine rule is A upon sine A is equals to B upon sine B is equals to C upon sine C is equals to K. Just we're going to find out the value of the sides, that is A, B, C. A is K sine A, B is K sine B, and C is K sine C. Now we're going to start with the RHS. So RHS we are given, that is B minus C. See the example again. That is B minus C upon A into cos A by 2. So B minus C upon A into cos A by 2. So we know the value of B. So B is K sine B. We put here. C is a K sine C upon A is K sine A into cos A by 2. So next one, that is we're taking K common here. So in bracket sine B minus sine C upon K sine A as it is. So K will get cancelled into cos A by 2 as it is. Now see here, you know that is the sum of measure of all angles of the triangle is 180. So we denote it by pi. So A plus B plus C is equals to pi, means the sum of the angles is of triangle is 180. We're going to find out the value of B plus C. If we going to find out the value of B plus C, we get it pi minus A. For A plus B, it is pi minus C. And for A plus C, it is pi minus B. So you have to keep in mind this one. Now see, here we get that is sine B minus sine C. So you know the formula of, so you learn it in the 11th standard, that is C and D के formula थे, that is sine C plus sine D, sine C minus sine D. So you have to keep in mind these all formulas. So the formula for sine C minus sine D, that is here sine B minus sine C, is 2 sine B minus C upon 2 into cos B plus C upon 2. So this is the formula for this one, and cos A by 2 as it is upon sine A. Then 2 sine B minus C upon 2 as it is. We are going to put down the value of B plus C. So what is the value of B plus C? It is pi minus A. So here we write that is pi minus A upon this 2 is as it is into cos A by 2 as it is. Now see, 2 sine B minus C upon 2 into, just we splitting this 2 for both. So pi by 2 minus A by 2 cos A by 2 upon sine A. And in 9th standard we learn the formula of, that is complementary angle formula of trigonometry, that is cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So you know this one. So now see the next step. Here we get that is 2 sine B minus C upon 2 into sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. So ये जो 2 है वो हम यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करने वाले. सो हम ऐसे पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज 2 साइन A by 2 इंटू कॉस A by 2. एंड यू नो दिस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज साइन 2 थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. सो इट लुक्स लाइक दिस वन. सो instead of writing this 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2, we write that is sin 2 into theta, that is A by 2. So ये ऐसे ही रहेगा यहाँ पे sin B minus C upon 2 into sin 2 theta. यहाँ पे theta क्या है? A by 2. So 2 into A by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. And so lastly we get that is sin B minus C upon 2 as it is, sin A as it is, and the sin A is cancelled with this sin A. So the remaining term is sin B minus C upon 2, and which is nothing but the LHS. So see the example, sin B minus C upon 2. So hence we prove here, and so we can write that is LHS equals to RHS. Now see the question number 5. So prove that 2 in curly bracket A sin square C by 2 plus C sin square A by 2 is equals to A minus B plus C. So ये हमें प्रूव करना है. So see यहाँ इस एग्जाम्पल में हमें स्क्वायर दिखाई पड़ते हैं. So you know that is to remove this square. So we can use this formula, that is you know the formula of sin cos 2 theta. You learn it in the 11th standard, that is cos 2 theta is equal to cos. First formula is that is cos square theta minus sin square theta. There are 3 formulas of cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1, and second one is cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Just we have to find out these values of cos square and sin square theta. So 2 sin square theta is equals to, ये यहाँ पे मूव होगा, so 1 minus cos 2 theta, and from this we can find the value of sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. and we have to convert it into half angle formula, that is sin square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus, ये हाफ होगा सो यहाँ पे थीटा रहेगा, सो 1 minus cos theta upon 2. And now we're going to put down this value in our example. So see, that is we're taking the LHS here, so 2 into a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2. So 2a, so the value of sin square theta by 2, it is 1 minus cos theta upon c. So 1 minus cos c upon 2 plus c. Here again we are going to put down the value. So 1 minus cos a. See here, 1 minus cos a upon 2. Now see, this 2 will cancel with this 2, and here we are taking the LCM. So here is 2, and we have to write down this numerator by multiplying with a. So a, then a यहाँ इससे multiply करेगा a cos c plus c and minus c cos a. Now this 2 will get cancelled, and we get, that is a plus c. We write this term first, and from these two terms we take the minus sign common, so we'll get a cos c plus c cos a. So you know that is the by projection rules. See here, that is a cos c and c cos a. एक्सचेंज समझ में आया? सो ये आंसर किसका होगा? ये आंसर होगा बी का, दैट इज बी इज इक्वल्स टू सी कॉस ए प्लस ए कॉस सी. यहाँ पे जो लेटर नहीं है वो इसका आंसर रहता है, सो यहाँ पे बी आएगा. सो वी गेट, दैट इज ए प्लस सी माइनस बी, एंड हेंस द RHS इज ए माइनस बी प्लस सी. Now see the question number 6. So in triangle ABC we have to prove that a cube sin b minus c plus a cube sin c minus a plus c cube sin a minus b is equals to 0. So before going to solve this, first observe that these three terms are similar. See here, a cube, यहाँ पे b minus c, b cube c minus a, and c cube a minus b. See the order, and all these three terms are similar, means there is a similarity in the system. So we're going to solve any one of these first. So we're going to solve this first term, that is a cube sin b minus c. हम पहले इसका आंसर फाइंड आउट करेंगे, और इसको कंपेयर, इसके आंसर को कंपेयर करके ये दोनों का आंसर विदाउट कैलकुलेशन हम ऐसे ही बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन हम उसका आंसर लिखने वाले हैं. So first see here, that is by sine rule what we get here. So sin a upon a is equals to, हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, sin b upon b is equals to sin c upon c is equals to k. Here we are going to find out the value of angles, that is sin a is equals to ak. So why we are going to find out this one? Because here we are given the angle. So sin a is equals to ak, here take cross, sin b is equals to bk, and sin c is equals to ck. And by cosine rule you know that is cos b is equals to c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca. ये सब फॉर्मूला हमें यहाँ पे यूज़ करना है, सो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं. नाउ सी, so a cube sin b minus c. So you know the formula of sin a minus b, that is sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. So we use this formula here using the letters b and c. So sin b into cos c minus cos b into sin c. Now a cube into sin b minus c is equals to, just this a cube is as it is. Now we are going to put down this value. So what is the value of sin b? Sin b is bk, so we write here bk. Now you know the value of cos c, so cos b का आंसर यहाँ ऐसा आ जाता है, तो इसको देख के हम cos c का भी आंसर निकाल सकते हैं, that is a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab minus the value of cos b, we already find it here, that is c square plus a square minus b upon 2ca, and we are going to put down the value of sin c, that is ck. Now see, this c is cancelled with this c, here b is cancelled with this b. Now see, we are taking the common here, that is a cube is as it is, in both the terms there is k, so see here k and k, so we are taking it outside, and 2a is also common here, that is 2a, so we are also taking it outside. So this a is cancelled with this single a, and so here we get a square. So in bracket the remaining terms are a square plus b square minus c square. Since there is a minus sign, minus c square, minus a square minus minus plus b square. So here is a b square. And see, this a square will get cancelled with this a square. So the remaining terms are a square k upon 2. Here 2b square minus 2c square. Again we are taking 2 common outside. So a square k upon 2 into b square minus c square. So this 2 will get cancelled. So here is the answer of this one, that is a cube sin b minus c. सॉल्व करके हमें क्या मिला, a square k in bracket b square minus c square. सिमिलरली हमें अगर बी क्यूब साइन सी माइनस ए का आंसर ढूंढना पड़ेगा तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे ए है सो यहाँ पे ए स्क्वायर आया है, यहाँ पे बी है तो क्या आएगा बी स्क्वायर के, एंड इसको ही इसके ही जो साइड से हो हमें यहाँ पे लिखेंगे दैट इज सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर. अगर हमें इसका फाइंड आउट करना है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, सो द आंसर होगा दैट इज सी स्क्वायर के इन ब्रैकेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. So ये आंसर आएगा. Now we have to put this value in the example. So the LHS is like this one, a cube into bracket sin b minus c plus b cube sin c minus a, c cube plus sin a minus b. इसमें हमें ये वैल्यूज पुट करना है. सो इसका आंसर होगा ए स्क्वायर के इन ब्रैकेट बी स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली इसका आंसर हमने फाइंड किया है बी स्क्वायर के इन ब्रैकेट सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर, इसका सी स्क्वायर के इन ब्रैकेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. ये सब में से हमें के कॉमन मिलेगा. नाउ हमें ए को ए स्क्वायर को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करके ये टर्म्स लिखने. सो ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर, या बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे ए स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर प्लस है एंड माइनस बी स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर. सो ऑल टर्म्स गेट कैंसल, दैट इज ए स्क्वायर इज कैंसल विद दिस माइनस, माइनस ए स्क्वायर सी स्क्वायर कैंसल विद दिस प्लस, and plus b square c square cancel with this b square c square. So we'll get here k into 0, and so the answer is 0. So this is all about the question number 6 from exercise 3.2, and the remaining examples we'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.